Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Laura, and today I am going to do a quick, really quick clean with me. I'm on my lunch break from work, and I'm at home today. I work from home at least for half of the day, and then I have to go in the rest of the day. And so I am gonna go clean up my kitchen. I don't have a whole lot of time because I do need to pack up my stuff and get out of the house. But I'm gonna do a quick little kitchen cleanup. I probably should have done these things last night, but I ended up not having time. I had some phone calls and things like that, so didn't end up getting this stuff done, but hoping to get at least a little bit of it done today. And hope you enjoy, like and subscribe for more videos, and we're gonna go down and get started. So I'm first starting with the dishes. As you can see, I have a huge pile in my strainer, and then I also have a huge pile in my sink. And these pile up honestly really fast because I have just a one-sided sink, or just like one, not even really that big sink, which is kind of annoying, but we make it work. And then I'm also gonna unload my dishwasher. I typically run my dishwasher at night just because it's easier, like at the end of the day, or it's really every other day that I run it, and it just, like I said, makes it a lot easier to have clean dishes. And I also, as you could see before that, I sprayed my dish strainer. I don't think I'll ever get a white dish strainer again. That thing has so much like dirt and grime that shows on there, and it's just really annoying. But like I said, I'm unloading the dishwasher, putting everything away back where it belongs. And I feel like this was really hard to get done, you guys. I don't know if anybody else is feeling like it's hard to like get up and do things. All I want to do is like lay in bed right now and do nothing. It's so cold. It's cold in my house. It's cold outside. And so I feel like it's really hard to want to get up and do things. And I feel like it's made me so much less motivated to clean my house and get things done that I need to get done. But today I decided, you know what, we're going to get up and we're going to finish this. And it took me about, I would say maybe like 25 minutes to get all of this done. It wasn't a whole lot. It was more of just like maintenance, basic cleaning, like getting a few things done. As you can see, things are pretty unorganized. Like that cabinet up there, I reorganized it and it's dirty again, but I was just wanting to put everything back, get some things somewhat cleaned off, and kind of just go from there. So I tried using my pink paste, but it got really hard, and I don't know what happened. I don't know if the lid wasn't on tight enough or what kind of happened there, but it's just like really chunky. So I'm not going to be able to use that. I tried to just like obviously like move the chunk around. I'm kind of disappointed. I don't know. I haven't used it in a while, and I'm thinking that's why I just didn't use it up quick enough. So I ended up using Power Paste, which I actually like, to be honest with you, a lot better than I like the pink stuff, at least with this experience. Like I said, maybe the lid wasn't on tight enough, or I'm not really sure what happened, but this worked pretty well for the most part. There was a couple spots I had to scrub pretty hard on, which was kind of annoying, but other than that, it worked really well. And it is tangerine scented, which I don't really like that much, but this is kind of what it looked like in the middle of cleaning. And I let this sit for a while, and I finished up with the dishes and washing out my dish strainer. And I had recorded, at least I thought I recorded, me like wiping off the stove, and I looked over and it was not recording and I was already done, and I was so frustrated and upset. So I didn't get that, but I will like obviously show the after of what was done. And it happened to be really sunny today where I was, so I did open the blinds, let some sunlight in. I have a plant next to my sink, and I let that get a little bit of sunlight. It's crazy. It actually like propagated another tiny little plant in there, I think, and that thing has been growing so well. I had it sitting by the window and then it just kept falling, so I moved it and I was like, this probably isn't gonna live. And then it did, and I was really excited. You can see it right there. My sister also gave me an aloe plant, and I'm really, really hoping that stays alive. I don't have a lot of places for sunlight, so I'm trying to put it by my like patio door to get a little bit of sun. So I'm hoping it will grow and do well, but I'm not really sure if it will. So I am just obviously getting all the dishes done. I feel like having a small sink is a good thing and a bad thing, because I can't let my dishes pile up for very long, but also I can't let my dishes pile up for very long, which is kind of annoying. And I guess it's really good to keep up with them, but sometimes I feel like it's hard and I wish I had a two-sided sink or more counter space. But I am super lucky and blessed to have a dishwasher. I'm so glad that I at least have that, and it's something. You see me putting water in my plant. That sounds awful, but I usually just like dunk it in the water, and I need another pot for it. I have it on like a pickle jar sitting there for the water to drain out. So kind of on the struggle bus, I know that I need to repot it, but I just haven't done it yet. So I'm just finishing up. I absolutely hate this stove. It's so annoying. I can't wait to move and get a new one. But we're just working with what we have. And I hope in the next couple of weeks, and then in February, I'd like to try to do like a no spend February maybe, and talk about like some recipes that I will be doing, and then also hopefully clean my oven. The inside of my oven is so bad, and I want to do a video about that. but the cleaner I have is pretty harsh, so I'm probably going to do it when my daughter's not home, and I think this weekend would be a good one to do that. So stay tuned if you're interested in that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. If anyone ever has any video requests or anything anybody wants to talk about, can definitely put it in the comments. However you want to say that, definitely do that. And I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much for watching. And this is the final result of my stove. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed, and see you in my next one.